This video is sponsored by Altium 365. Altium 365 is an online electronic hardware design platform. It means you can upload your electronic projects to the cloud. You can also share them with anyone and do collaborative work. And here you get support for all types of CAD files. This makes it much easier and faster to design and deliver any product. And if you are a student and want to work in the electronic field, Student Lab. By the way, I will get free access to Altium 365 and Altium Designer. And it is a great way to boost your skills and your resume. Just enter your university email and get started for free. You will get Altium Designer student lines and PCB design course. Secondly, you will get a certificate recognized by top industries in India and free access to Power Analyzer with that. So design the future with Altium 365. Please check out link is in the description.